Bitcoin to 3 million in just 2 seconds. But of course, not financial advice, guys. Well, I'm just kidding with you. How are you doing, everybody? Are you surviving these bloody days? Are you selling? Are you buying? Do you believe that Bitcoin is going up, going down? We are plunging to the bear market for a long time, or we are just about to hit the all-time high and go further. Dr. Crypto is hosting you, and you are very much welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and you like the video. And I really appreciate that if you join the community. This community will be big, I promise to you. And we will be here watching closely the crypto, trading wise, investing wise, long and short term. We will be helping each other and we will succeed in these markets. So guys, I'm back with Bitcoin daily update on the price. And let's waste no more time and jump right into it. See what's happening since yesterday. We have had this kind of a 10,000 drop to the downside. Did I expect that? Not really, but did I expect that we will be... Was it a surprise to me that we are actually gonna fall anytime soon? Yes. I mean, it wasn't a surprise to me. It wasn't a surprise. That's all I want to say. Because if you were subscribed to this channel, if you were followed my previous video, I posted video. I said here we are in a danger zone. Here, right in this area. You can go and watch my previous videos. This was a danger zone. And I said what? I said there is two things to watch when we are here. I was saying we watch this line, which I explained a lot about the channel previously. You can watch my previous video to see what it is. This was basically the ascending wedge that we were going from 28,000. We started the run to the upside. We fall out of it. We were just retesting it and never could actually get back to it. I said that I'm watching this line. I'm watching this box. What is this box? The box was basically here, where we had support for a long time, and I believe it turned to the resistance. When we were above it, I told you in my previous video which one I do care more about. I said this line, and I don't care much about this box. I have hope for this box to support us, but we are above it, but I don't believe that we really confirmed this box as a support. And you see, guys, what has happened. When we retested it, it didn't even held for an hour. We just went through it all the way down, because to me this line was much more powerful and valid than this box at this particular moment. So what has happened? We were all the way down. Did I expect it to be this huge? No. But it happens in the crypto market, right? I expected it to come to retest this box and fail and go slower, like sideways down, until the next time we see some bullish momentum to be prepared to go to the upside. But what has happened showed that bears, they were just waiting in the corner, watching for the moment to just shake the market to the downside. Now where we went after that? To this line. Did I add it just now? No. You could watch my previous videos. This line was here, and today I want to change it to the box, because we are far from it. Well, it was just remaining as a line, but normally this should be, just be patient, as a box in here, box of kinda. I should bring this one a little bit here. Yeah, here it is. Kind of conflict we have had here. You can make this box smaller, bigger, a little bit. I will make, this is the real support that I believe that Bitcoin have had. This is the real box that was important to me, not this one. Yes, we have had a smaller box in here, but this was in our short-term trade into the effects. This was in short term, and yes, I will be watching that when we are coming back up, if we are there actually to come back anymore. So I have no $3 valid. One of them I see it as a complete support for the following days. If we break through this, then goodbye. Goodbye, moon boys. I'm not a moon boy, I'm not beer, I'm not a bull. I just believe we have to make money when the opportunity arises. Either if it is with longing or shorting. That's about my trading. But as you know, in this channel, I got you all inclusive because I'm also investing on altcoins. And I mentioned Algorand 2 days ago and it's doing pretty much, I mean, you cannot believe it. You saw what has happened in Algorand, right? So, I'm also investing on altcoins and I'm keeping you updated. And today we will have, for the first time, I'm gonna reveal some of the gem altcoin with the low market cap that I'm interested in. I will post later today about that. So subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, make sure that you're not gonna miss it, and follow me on the Twitter because everything I do in the YouTube, for sure I'll notify you in Twitter. So you're not gonna miss anything. So guys, not at the moment. I am a cryptocurrency fan. Let's make it clear. Because in the YouTube, in the Twitter, there are either people fighting Bitcoin and cryptocurrency against it totally, or there are some in favor of the cryptocurrency and they are just crypto is to the moon. I'm exactly in the middle. I care about my money. When it comes to trading, that's why I have every day a daily Bitcoin price update. Because I'm trading regardless where the cryptocurrency market direction is. If it's short, we go short. If it's long, we go long. That's the trading money that you earn. But because I'm a crypto boy, I am believing in crypto and blockchain. Okay? I am believing in blockchain. Let me tell you. I don't believe so much in this market as a currency, but I hugely believe in blockchain. I will talk about it in my future videos. But because I believe in this, leave the manipulation for these days. Market is too small and illiquid. They can just take the direction to wherever they want. Elon Musk can bring it all the way up with one tweet, just plunge it to the bear market with another one. We are too early in this market, but I believe in blockchain. That's why I invest in cryptocurrency. All right? I'm not into the stock market, nothing. I believe in blockchain. So, that's my position, should be clear to you. Now you know me better. Anyways, when it comes to the trading, here are the 3 bucks that I'm watching. This one is smaller because it's short in time frame. Of course, you can extend it all the way to in here, but we don't want to just make a mess in here, right? We have to be clear that this one is a support, this one is a resistance. This one is a big resistance, this one is a big support. You understand that? Why? Because you see, we couldn't hold, just smash this and go further. And we could also, when we were falling, it was a fall that you didn't probably have time to sell. A lot of liquidation and a lot of things was going on. But as soon as we touched into it, we got a huge amount of support. Now we are in here. Look at it. If you want to look at it again, look where we were after that. Touch this shorter box. Did we able to break through it? No, we failed. And we are, what I'm gonna expect, guys, in the following days. Let me very pretty much clear with you. I have nothing to hide, right? We have to be honest in here. I will be expecting some kind of movement like this. Then the big move will come to the down, or if not, the big movement will go to the up. And that movement will be valid, guys. The next movement will be valid. Then with the next movement, more probably I'm not gonna watch these lines furthermore, right? So what I'm expecting will be the sideways. Will I trade? At the moment, not. But I'm looking for the potential pattern to take form in here. As I told you, in this channel is so much news. But I had still 2 videos that you can go and check that I put pattern for you, 2 falling wedge. And I longed 2 times Bitcoin to the exact target that I mentioned in my videos. I'm waiting for that kind of opportunity. I'm not that kind. I am actually risking. So I'm watching. I'm looking in 1 hour or even in 15 minutes to see what is happening. Know what comes to my interest actually? Of course, I can put this line for you here. We can see. what's happening in here? To me, possible rising wedge is taking 4. What is this pattern? This is bearish pattern. Will I trade it? Not really, because this is still in 15 minutes. Too small to trade. If you are quick turbo trader, then maybe. The breakdown of this, you will trade it all the way to 44,500. Will I do it? Not really. But is it a possibility? It is. Is it a financial advice? No. Is it a friend opinion? Yes. Will you let me know about your opinion in the comment down below? I hope so, and I really appreciate. So, well guys, what will I trade? I will tell you what I trade actually. I will wait for a bigger pattern, even though it's hard to make, but it will come the time. Look, when you put it in 1 hour, this is not enough candles. You cannot put this. I mean, this is still looking like a rising wedge, but I don't like this. I mean, I like to put something like big enough, right? Sorry for that. I mean, just my stopwatch telling me that the food that I'm making is ready. Have to go to the kitchen soon. So guys, anyways, look, this is, if something will take a form in here, right, the candles either down or up, then that kind of thing I will trade. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so I will keep you updated, right? If you don't want to just miss my quick updates on the analysis of the Bitcoin, and of course I will keep you updated all the time. Now let's, with all of this being said, let's move to the DXY and talk about the DXY. So here it is, DXY. If you all just again followed my previous video, I told you that this box, when we were right here, I said I'm expecting DXY to get some sort of a support. If here it got, when we were actually, Bitcoin was 52,000 and above. So this fall was all the time when Bitcoin was actually going up. This support, since this we got the support in here and we're coming up, Bitcoin has crashed. This is exactly, I mean, they have inverse relation to price wise, DXY and Bitcoin. No, what I'm expecting to happen, these bugs again could be as a resistance, but I think guys, this is probably you're not gonna see in any other channel. Watch, listen my opinion, you might appreciate later, and if you like it, hit the like button. Okay, look at this line that I've had for a long time. Is it similar to this line as, is it similar to this line Bitcoin have had? It is. Look at the box, look at the line. The same thing, look at the box, look at the line. What I'm trying to tell you is that I'm expecting the DXY to continue coming up and hit this line, okay? And in this place, probably Bitcoin is cheaper than right now. And then I will be looking at taking some risk, but depends. If DXY fails like Bitcoin come to the downside, then probably Bitcoin will survive and we will have nice ride to the upside. But if DXY just smash through this line, unlike Bitcoin that it failed its line, if DXY smash and go up, then we probably plunge into a bear market, guys. If I want 100% be honest with you. So what I'm looking at the moment trade wise, investing wise, because I have a lot of altcoins, I like to go more into them. I will let you know what altcoins are there later today and the following days, but I'm waiting to see what's going to happen with DXY in this particular area. If we go to the downside, I expect Bitcoin to come up. If we break it and go upside, then I have to be bullish, and I apologize to the moon boy. So guys, that was all I got. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate that. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you hit the like button. I really appreciate if you do that. I want to make this community bigger and bigger, and you're gonna help me in that. I'm trusting you. Thank you, have a nice day, and good luck. Doctor out.